Bonjour. Of course, this whole budget presentation has an important purpose for the owner. How much money are you going to pay him next year? So, you are going to present him with a cash flow projection month by month. It is not linear over time, nor proportional to the incomes and result of each month because certain expenses can be one-off and significant. For example, an annual tax that will be paid in June, or bonuses which will be paid in March, or insurance that will be only one time a year. On average, over the year, cash flow will be close to EBITDA minus CAPEX. In the next video, we'll see the 5 years performance.